Welcome viewers. We have a concept on mathematics. This time around we are looking at fraction as it is written. Concept of fraction. We say fraction is a way to show part of a whole. It is a number that represents a ratio of two numbers. We give example 1 over 2, 3 over 4, and 7 over 2, etc. Now, if you look closely again, you will see types of fraction. We have the types. We have the first one. The first one is proper fraction. It's a fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator, or the denominator is greater than the numerator. Mind you, fraction is of two types. We have the up one is called the numerator and the down one is called the denominator. So whenever the numerator is less than the denominator, you call it proper fraction. Then we have improper fraction on the other hand. If the numerator is greater than the denominator, you call it improper fraction. Then we have mixed fraction. A mixed fraction is the type of fraction that contains a whole part, and as well it contains a whole part, and it also contains a proper fraction. Like we have 1 whole number 1 over 2, 3 whole number 3, 9 over 11, and 6 whole number 2 over 7, respectively. These are examples of proper mixed fraction. Then we have unit fraction. Whenever you have a fraction that all of them, you have fractions such that all the fractions, their numerators are 1, you call it unit fraction. Then lastly, equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction is a fraction, is a different fraction that represent the same value. When you have two different fractions, yet two of them or three of them are the same in terms of value, you know that such fractions are equivalent fraction. Thank you. Please follow us for more updates on mathematics, chemistry, and physics. Thank you and bye-bye.